Hey everybody, welcome back to Extreme Heat Pete. Now today we're doing a challenge, and the challenge today is the Iceland Carolina Reaper Chicken Wings Challenge. Now here in front of me I have cooked 8 flats, and I'm going to see how long it takes me to consume the 8 Carolina Reaper chicken wing flats. So these are now cool enough for me to handle. I've got a glass of moo in the background, ready for when I finish the challenge. I'm going to do about a 2-minute burn afterwards, I think. That's fair enough, 2-minute burn. So let's start the timer. Tasty. It's starting to really heat up now. 4 down, 4 to go. Should have got myself some tissue. Doesn't matter. Mm. 2.5 minutes in, and I've got 2 left. Rock on. Wow. Done. 3 minutes 59.77. So I'm now going to reset the clock. I'm going to do a 2-minute burn. Oh. My lovely assistant says about pass me some tissue. The last thing I want to do is touch my eyes after touching Reapers. Well, Reaper wings. As you can see, they are clean. That was 8 in just under 4 minutes. Now this challenge, these Reaper wings were given to me by a good friend, Susie Bushell, here in Leamington. She thought of me, EHP. I think EHP might be able to take on the challenge of doing the Iceland Reaper wing challenge. So that is it, challenge completed. I've got 1 more minute left of the burn, and then I can relax. Right, while the time is going. So these have got a 5 chili rating on the bag. It's on their scarily spicy range. I believe they were £3 for a big bag. The bag weighs in at 850 grams. Cook them in the oven for 25 minutes at 200°C, where you can defrost them and cook them at the same temperature. 25 minutes. Either way, very tasty. You get quite a few in a bag. So maybe next time I do this, I'll do quite a few more. It says, warning, extremely hot. I've had hotter Reaper things before, but for a challenge, these are quite nice. Not the hottest thing of the scarily spicy range. The hottest thing I've had was the Carolina Reaper curry. If you look at my videos, you'll see that I've done the Carolina Reaper curry. Right, that is 2 minutes up. 2 minutes 4. Well, hey. Well, that was fun. So yeah, while I'm here, please drop my sponsors. Go and visit my sponsors, Black R Biltong, for the great tasting biltong you'll ever taste this side South Africa. They've got great prices on their stuff at the moment. It's currently between £2 and £2.50 per packet, and they've got loads of flavours while stocks last. So go check them out at blackrbiltong.co.uk. Also, remember to check out my sponsors, Henry's Hot Sauce. I've got a bottle of, got a limited edition bottle of Henry's right here, which is a limited edition Podfather given to me by my son for Father's Day. But Henry's at Flavour and Fire has got everything you need for your barbecues. He's got rubs, he's got sauces, he's got anything to bring a bit of heat. Maybe I should do a chicken wing one with his sauce. Who knows? But check out my main man LG Lounge, Ethanol Gaming Community also. He's got plenty of online and VR gaming videos up, so go check him out, drop him a like, subscribe and share. But for now, I have been Extremely Pete. Please give me a big thumbs up so you enjoyed this video. Please share your friends and family. Remember to smash that red button, turn it grey. Help me reach 200 subscribers, where I'll be taking on an extra special challenge. It'll either be a sauce from the sauce shelf, or it'll be a challenge from the shelf here. Also, we've got the Satanic Scotsman cap gun. That'll be done soon. You see it right there. That'll be done on the 10th of October with 5 other people, members of the Sons of Fire UK chapter, which I am a member of. So we will be doing a live video on the Sons of Fire UK chapter page, where 6 of us will be taking on that challenge. As you all know, I did the cap gun one twice and succeeded with that, so it's going to be all fun. Anyway, I've been Extremely Pete. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.